Welcome. I'm Susan Toussaint, Director of the Associated Students Child Development Lab. I'd like to take a few minutes to share information about our program philosophy, licensing, and accreditation with you. The AS Child Development Lab is a teaching learning laboratory. This means that all involved, children, families, staff, faculty, and students are in the process of both teaching and learning. As you can see from this sign, teaching actually does reflect learning. Our program philosophy is based upon a respect for the uniqueness of each individual child, their family, and their culture. We serve a diverse population. Our children and families bring with them their own values, culture, and language. Children also come with unique personalities and temperaments, and we recognize that they are at varying stages of development and maturation. In partnership, staff, students, and parents create a safe, nurturing environment that promotes the physical, social, emotional, creative, linguistic, and cognitive development of each child. We believe learning is a complex process that results from the interactions of one's own thinking and experience in the external world. Children learn by doing. Infants and toddlers learn primarily through their senses, such as tasting, physical exploration, and grasping. Preschoolers learn by interacting with materials and things. As children mature and their learning is scaffolded by the environment and the people in their lives, they acquire new skills that further facilitate the learning process. We also believe that children must be seen within the context of their families and their culture and strive to promote an inclusive and family-friendly environment. We are a relationship-based, child-focused program. The environment, physical and social-emotional, is instrumental in children's learning. In all of the classrooms, children have many opportunities to participate in child-selected as well as teacher-directed activities. They also have the opportunity to form close, nurturing relationships with peers and adults. The program is licensed through the Department of Social Services Community Care Licensing. Licensing requirements stipulate the ages and numbers of children who can be served in each of our classrooms. Staffing requirements and ratios are governed by Title V of the Education Code. We are required to have at least one adult for every 3 children in the infant room, at least one adult for every 4 children in our 2-year-old classroom, and at least one adult for every 8 children in our 3 to 5-year-old classrooms. Fortunately, because of the participation of students in our program, our ratios generally are much better than that. In addition to being licensed, the program is accredited by the National Association for the Education of Young Children, Academy for Early Childhood Program Accreditation. This means we have voluntarily undergone a comprehensive process of an internal self-study, invited external professional review to verify compliance with the criteria, and that we have been found to be in substantial compliance. There are 10 accreditation standards. These standards include relationships, curriculum, teaching, assessment and child progress, health, teachers, families, community relationships, physical environment, leadership, and management. Accreditation is a process, not an end, and we will continue to undergo program self-assessment with the goal of continuing to improve the program offered to children, families, and students.